SPX yesterday. I'm going to show you the stock that we trade. This is what we traded over there yesterday. So we marked our opening range here yesterday. And then as it danced around in there for a little while, as it started moving and broke out of here, we went with the put credit spread, broke out, put credit spread, put credit spread. We did a few of those, danced around. About 12 or so, we went with a call credit spread we went with 59.85, which would have been above here. And that was based on our gamma chart. We look at the gamma charts. If you don't know what that is, you need to come on and join the membership so you can understand what I'm talking about and what we're using to help us set strikes. So we looked at the gamma chart, 59.85. It still continued to climb a bit. And then we put on some more put credit spreads because it was still moving. And then after it got up a little higher, put on some more, like I did 59.95, 6,000 call credit spreads. So still did some more credit spreads, some call credit spreads higher than the 59.85, just stacking them on, which that's a good way to stack on more for more premiums, high and beyond, beyond where you see price going. And then price pulled back and kind of danced around for the rest of the day. This is 115. And for the rest of the day, it kind of consolidated between these two. Cool. Long as it didn't drop back to below our put credit spread, which the highest put credit spread we had, I think the highest one I had was 59.55, I think was the highest one I had. And then this one did kind of drop back down into the zone, but this 20 period moving average did hold us up, which was cool with me. Yes. And then it went on back up, which is good again. Okay, stayed in the proper gamma zone, and danced around all the way into the close. Made good money yesterday. $948 is what I made yesterday in profits. And we had many of our members yesterday make really good. We had a $1,200 profit maker yesterday. We had $150. We had $500. We had $600. All these things. I want to tell you that it's no fun when it's just me, right? I want the people who are making money along with me. That's why we do what we do in the membership. We do it all together. This ain't just about Arlissa, right? Arlissa's trying to make sure that I'm taking as many people with me as we'll go. Anybody who's interested in going, let's go. All right. Okay. So this is what SPX did yesterday. Looks like SPX currently is like almost in this same area. I think we were just looking at that 59.72. I think it's around this same area now. Again, we'll open where we're open, and guess what we'll do? Trade what we see. That's how we do that. All right. We looked at SPY.